second Krishna Adhikari, first Kapil Nure. Third prize Icha Sunar, second prize Abhinav Paurel, first prize Amisha Adhikari. Third Icha Sunar, second Abhinav Paurel, first prize Amisha Adhikari. Class 2 handwriting competition. From class 3 handwriting competition, third prize Riya Regme, second prize Amrit Bhandare, first prize Rijan Sharma. Third prize Supriya Sunar, second prize Ayusha Tamang, first prize Kapil Nure. Supriya Sunar, third prize, second prize Ayusha Tamang, and first prize Kapil Nure. Please act around us. From dictation. Third prize goes to Sarika Nepane, class 1. Third prize Ruska Adhikari, second prize Achyut Gautam, first prize. Sarika Nepane, Ruska Adhikari, and Achyut Gautam. From class 2, third prize Suprabhat Nopane from grade 5. Third prize Sonika Kakurel, Krishna Adhikari, second prize, first prize Kapil Nure. Sonika Kakurel third, Krishna Adhikari second, Kapil Nure first. Class 1, third prize Rex Phoenix Subede, second Sarika Nopane, third Tanujaga, first Tanujaga Hamagar. Third Rex Phoenix Subede, second Sarika Nopane, first Tanujaga Hamagar. Rex Phoenix Subede, second Sarika Nopane, first Tanujaga Hamagar. Please come on stage and receive your prizes. From grade 2, third Icha Sunar, second Abhiyan, third prize Kapil Nure, second prize, first prize goes to Sonika Kakurel, please, third, second. Special cultural program competition. This is special cultural competition prizes. Please be careful and listen to your name. Third prize goes to